So in this video, I'm going to show you how to access tokens and actually buy them online. So what you do, you simply go where it says access and tokens right here, right? But sometimes you might not see it because it is hidden, right? You simply click on buy tokens online. So these same buttons are available whether you're using a laptop or a phone, right? So you simply click where it says buy tokens online here. So you have different options. You can either buy tokens in ZIG or in USD. In ZIG, there is Kadiki, which is one scheme, which costs 20 ZIG. There is Pakati Plus. This one does not include schemes, but it has 40 lesson plans and 50 exercises, which is 120 ZIG. And Kakuru, which is 8 schemes, 40 lesson plans, 50 exercises, and access to Mudzidzisi AI, which is just 200 ZIG. So these expire after a month or after 30 days, right? So that's where you have to use this, and then you have to resubscribe again. So like I said, you can either buy in ZIG or in USD. So these are the USD prices here. So once you have picked the package that you want, you simply click on buy with Pay Now. So Pay Now is just an online payment platform which is in Zimbabwe. That is what we use. So you'll be taken to their website, which is here. So when you get there, you just enter your email address here. Just enter my email and I'll click on next. So that's the same thing that you also do as well. You just enter your email address. So it will take you to the next page where you have to enter your full name and your contact number, right? This is very important. Put your contact number there. So you have two payment methods. You can either use ZimSwitch credit cards. Those are your local cards, not Visa cards, local cards, like where you get from NMB, POSB, any of those cards. You can use them there. But here I'm going to use mobile money, EcoCash. Right, so I'm going to click there. So there now you put your EcoCash mobile number. But if your contact number and your EcoCash number are the same, you'll see it is automatically here. But if you have different numbers for your contact and your EcoCash, you put your EcoCash number here. So once I do that, I click on next. So what's going to happen is EcoCash is going to send this. Right, I don't know if you can see it, where I have to put in my PIN right there. Then you can now see it. So now I have to put in my PIN. So I put in my PIN. It tells me that it is successful, and now it goes back to the website, right? So if I scroll down now, I should see my token. So I had 0, now I have 1 scheme credit, right? So now I can create a scheme because I have a token now. So you can either call them credits or tokens, each and every way. So that's the same process for any of these packages. You simply go to Pay Now. Or first you have to pick the subscription that you want. You go to Pay Now, you simply put in your email address, your full name and your contact. You put in your EcoCash number, you click next. EcoCash will then tell you to put in your PIN on your phone, and you are done. It will take you back. But in case maybe your network drops, but after you put in your PIN, you just simply come back, log out, log in, and refresh the page, and you'll see your credits there. But if anything happens, you have trouble buying or you didn't see your credits or anything like that, there is a number which is just there, which is written having trouble buying, WhatsApp this number, right? So this is where you'll get help. So these people will tell you to simply send in your POP or the email address that you have registered with on the platform, and they will help you. So definitely you're in good hands. So in the next video, we're now getting into the fun stuff, where we're going to create a scheme or learn how to create a scheme. So see you in the next video.